Okay, repair work is done for now. I cut out a sheet of aluminum and taped in with the aluminum sealing tape on both sides. And now all that's left is to clean up all the glasses on the floor. Most of it landed in the bucket. So I used my handy dandy trash bin. But not all of it landed in the bucket. So get out the broom, and I guess the rest of the sheet of aluminum can work as a dustpan, but there's a lot of it down there. Crunchy underfoot. Anyway, it's getting there, but I think that'll do for now. Doesn't look quite as bad. Not perfect, but not quite as bad. Just make sure this corner is sealed there. There we go. So, yeah. On the other side, looks about the same. So I cut it to fit inside the indent that's there, and then just cut the corners off so it fit in nicely, and then just taped it down. Not completely 100% sealed because I didn't quite seal this corner. But that's okay. It's sealed on the outside. I'm not worried about it raining, the rain part of it anyway. But yeah, this is a mess. So I guess that's what's next. And then maybe I can make some coffee and get moving. It's 9:30, so it's still early. Anyway, fun times. But yeah, that's what's left of the aluminum over here. See, I took a chunk. It's almost 27 inches by 16 inches. So let's use the other piece of aluminum as a straight edge and use my snips, which are sitting over there. Didn't have to use the hammer. It came out on its own. I just grabbed it with the cloth over my hand. It just started pulling and it all just came right out. And then I sat down and used the screwdriver to clean out the rubber gasket in case I want to use it again. For now, it's going to stay deleted, but it may not stay that way forever. And yeah, that's the aluminum tape there that I was using. Good stuff. I bought it to seal holes from taking out the stop sign and stuff. Anyway, time to sweep. Well, I think I did the best I can. Got the vast majority of it out of there. And sheet of aluminum, I cut the edge off of it and used it as the dustpan thing. So I'm sure there's still a few little pieces left. Yeah. Did not mean to delete that window this trip. And there's the rest of the window. And some other crud that was on the ground. Fun times. So, making coffee. Not going to bother breakfast this morning because, well, my spoons and my bowls and mugs and everything are well hidden. So, for this morning, I'm just going to reuse the cup from yesterday for my coffee. And I got the milk out, but I'm not going to use it. So, oh well. But I did manage to pull up some bins and everything else. I have the lithium ion pack charging. I guess you can't see it behind the bus anyway. So while I caffeinate myself and recharge myself, I'll have it charging, and hopefully I can charge it the rest of the way in the bus. So then I can charge up the laptop and everything else from it. Anyway, time for coffee soon. Tiring, man. My general plan was the first day to empty a bunch of stuff out of the bus and put it back in, but having to fix that window, I don't feel like doing it this morning. I'll do it tomorrow morning, or tonight, or something when I hit California. We'll see. The plan is to be in the Redwoods tonight, so gotta get myself caffeinated so I can at least get far enough down the road to grab something cheap and quick to eat. Because I have cereal and stuff there, but without a bowl or at least a spoon, I'm kind of hosed. Because I can use a storage container for a bowl, but I don't have any. Didn't think of bringing any plastic spoons. So I think I might hit Walmart or something anyways and get some plastic spoons. You know, have a fallback in case I don't want to dig in the mornings. But the general idea is I want to keep the stuff that I'm using every day, it needs to be near the door, the back door. So it's going to take some shuffling, and I realized that before I left, but I have not done it yet. So that was the general plan for today, but I just don't feel like doing it this morning, so I'm not gonna. Oh well. Well, I have the thing put in place, but it does obstruct the mirror. It comes with a backup camera, rear view camera. I don't really feel like putting it in on this morning because snaking the cable all the way up here is going to be a pain in the butt. So that would be the end result I would want. And also for the USB cable to have it actually run up into, like, up along here. Oh, that doesn't look good either. Up along here, and yeah, I noticed this flapping in the wind on the way here yesterday. And basically have it go along there, and then probably up here, and then into the cabinet above, and hook it up to stuff up there. Or this is annoying me. Anyways, but yeah, the box does still have in it a GPS antenna to put on the dash, probably about where that Kleenex box is, and a rear view camera. I don't think that's going to happen right now. But, so I think and it came with a 32 gig SD card, which is good, because I can't find my container of SD cards. I think I put it away at home, and now I can't find it. So I had a couple of 16s that I have down there at this point that I brought with me, but it has a 32 in it, so it can stay. Whether I put it in there or that's the way it came, I don't recall. So that's yeah, that's lovely. But anyway, so it's plugged in right now down here. I'm reserving the other one for plugging in the lithium ion with the cable that's a power pack thingy with a cable that's hanging over that bar right now. And then I'll move the phone charger over here for now, and that should keep me for today. But I thought I'd try it. I mean, it's kind of cool. It gives you 1080p, and the camera is right here, so I would have to change the angle anyways, which makes it pretty useless as a mirror. But once the camera is actually in place in the back, it might work just fine. I don't know. But it's not going to happen for today, I don't think. It's worth trying, though. It's actually not that hard to put in. At the top, it's got a USB connector, to hook up the camera, the rear view camera, and a connector for the GPS, and that's about it. Oh, and the the TF compact micro SD card slot as well. And then it's got a power button down here, and that's about it. And it just clamps on. It has rubber thingies that clamp on from there up and around the back on both sides of the mirror. So, not a bad idea. Don't know how well it's going to work out, but it's not a bad idea. Anyway, I think I'll take that back down in a few minutes. It appears the next stop for the day is get some fuel. I'm at just under half a tank, and I'll use about the same amount to get to the Redwoods. So, time to fill her up again. Waiting for traffic. Seems we're in construction zone here. Whatever. Got up and grabbed a snack while I waited. Put it in park, just got up and grabbed a snack. Looks like it might be almost time for us to move. Maybe. There's a flagger ahead. There's like about a mile of cars and vehicles in front of me. So, I don't know. Looks like we might be about to move. Awesome. Well, at least now I got a snack as well, so grab my rice rollers, which we're sitting on the bed at the moment. So looks like we're about to go. Alrighty, back to having the phone do navigation for me then, I guess. I have arrived. Yay. I'll give you a shot of the bus in a second. There we are, parked in the Redwoods. It's awesome. Very, very, very tall trees. Tomorrow I'll be in another park in the Redwoods. Here's the plan. So right now I'm going to move around a little bit and try to find the facilities, and then I'll think about eating some food maybe. I'm not sure. Anyways, it's about that time anyways. But made it. And then I'll also see if I can transfer all of the dash cam coverage on the SSD. See how big it got after that many hours of driving. Anyways, got here.